Hello my alien students, welcome back. So actually today is a small challenge. One of my students challenged me, not challenged me, I would say. Okay, I can look at it at any way, but the challenge is as follows. Okay, actually I'm taking time talking about the challenge. Anyway, the challenge is as follows. I will start the project and tell you. Okay, we would like to design a two-floor plumbing fixture, plumbing closet and closet. Okay, you need to connect two floors. We have two floors, let's say level 1 and level 2. Okay, and then we need to have plumbing fixtures for it connected together in less than 5 minutes. Okay, already 40 minutes seconds just telling hello to everyone. No worries. Okay, so what we'll do is just change it to user interface. Okay, this is to be counted as minute. Okay, better now. Yeah. Okay, so what we'll do now is go to the any floor plan. Okay, we have two floors. Good. Now go to level 1, just create a wall. Okay, up to level 2. Okay, so this is the wall to be created. I have to look at the time. We already finished 1 minute 30 seconds. Good. Okay, let's say we have, this is the wall. Generally never create floors in HVAC, plumbing view. Okay, never do this. You generally insert it. Anyway, we're back at level 1. Then go to your system tab. Go and call your closets. They are not there, go and load them. Plumbing. Fixtures. Wall mounted. Okay, let's say we have two. You want three? Yellow, no problem. Okay, don't worry. You need to see that time. Oh, I took already some time. Okay, no worries. Okay. For the pipe. Okay, don't worry. Okay, this is the first floor. System tab. Plumbing. We created a mistake here, no worries. Okay, increase slope for this. Okay, Okay. Okay, now I show you the trick. I think in 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. 10 minutes, huh? Okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this class. It was just a fast class. Okay, just wanted to show you how to do it. Okay, maybe in the next class, if you have any comments, say, John, how you did this, how you did that, you can tell me. Okay. Anyway, take care, and we see each other in the next class. Okay, I just wanted to show you how to do it. Okay, this is the bend. Okay, take care, and we see each other in the next class. Yalla, bye.